If you don't need to get out, there's no reason to go out.
It's clear Texas is failing to contain COVID-19. The state is one of several hotspots Vice President Mike Pence and his coronavirus task force are visiting.
Wearing a mask is just a good idea.
The state and federal teams met for about a half hour at UT Southwestern. All agreed the positivity rate is a sign of progress or problems. And in Texas, that rate has tripled in a month to more than 14%.
Well, we need to understand that COVID-19 has taken a very swift and very dangerous turn.
Dr. Deborah Birx is concerned about a large rise in the number of hospitalized young adults.
That really tells us that there is a lot of infection in the 20 to 40-year-olds. We know that's the primary asymptomatic group.
Friday, Governor Abbott closed bars and said opening them was his biggest regret. With more than 2.5 million cases and 125,000 deaths, I asked Vice President Mike Pence if any part of the national response could have been better.
We're very confident that we're going to get through this, but we're entirely focused right now in this moment, and we're going to stay focused there.
Texas averaged 35,000 tests a day last week. The vice president says the goal is to increase that.
If you have a concern, whether you have the symptoms or not, go ahead and get tested.
The roundtable pushed for more people to wear masks, the best weapon against the deadly virus.
All Texans coming together and working together, we will once again slow the spread of COVID-19.
There was no new action today, but a promise for support if needed.
We're with you, and we're going to stay with you.
Both the vice president and Governor Abbott pointed to the state's relatively low death rate as good news across the state. Medical experts say that often follows weeks behind the rise in hospitalizations that we're seeing right now. But both knowledge of the disease and treatments have improved. In Dallas, I'm William Joy.